In this section, we are talking about average rates of change and whether the function is increasing or decreasing and or concave up. As you can see, this particular graph is increasing. The y values are increasing here and here and here. But where is it increasing and concave up? Well, then I have to look at my graph and determine what concave up and down mean. Concave up means that our graph is opening upward. Concave down means our graph is opening downward. So concave down and concave down, concave up and concave up. Okay, there's our graph. And our y values are increasing on the red until we get to B, then decreasing, and so forth and so on. And I think if you read your notes, you should see what I'm talking about there. So let's erase this. And let's answer the questions. I have them answered for you, but I wanted to show you in demonstration how I came up with those answers. So the question on page 23, number 7, says, for which pairs of consecutive points in the figure is the function graphed? So A says increasing and concave up. So I'm increasing here, but I'm concave down. I want concave up. My values are increasing here and concave up. And also here and concave up. Now B says increasing but, and concave down. Increasing but concave down. And we see we're going from A to B and from E to F. Our y values are increasing, but our graph is concave down. C, we're going from decreasing but concave up. So now I'm looking at where are we concave up. We're concave up from C to D and from G to H. And decreasing and concave down, we're going from B to C and from F to G. Average rate of change. On page 24, number 18, the table shows sales of PepsiCo, of which our president will be happy we're talking about that, which operates 2 major businesses, beverages, including Pepsi, and snack foods. And here is a table of PepsiCo's sales in millions of dollars from the year of 2003 to 2010. And A wants us to find the change in sales between 2003 and 2010. And to answer that, all we do is take the sales from 2010 and subtract the sales from 2003 to get our value of $30,867. But in B, they want us to find the average rate of change in sales from 2003 to 2010 and give the units and interpret your answers. So the average rate of change from 2010 to 2003, we would have the value of sales in 2010, which is $57,838, minus the sales in 2003 to be $26,971, divided by the total number of years, subtracted 2010 minus 2003, which is 7 years. That gives us an average rate of change of $4,409.57 over the 7-year period. So the average rate of change, to interpret that, the average rate of change in sales over the 7-year period is increasing on average at a rate of $4,410 $10 million per year. So you would say this is dollars per year. So we are increasing by approximately $4,410 million per year.